Hi guys, welcome back to Anyone Can Cook. I'm Jamie and today we're gonna make panna cotta or panna cotta. It's an Italian classic recipe for dessert. It's very simple and it's delicious. So let's get started. Alright guys, the ingredients for today are half a cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, 2 cups of heavy cream, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and also for the sauce, half a pound of raspberries puree, some lemon, and also some berries for garnish. The equipment necessary for this recipe is just a couple of bowls, a strainer, a couple of spoons to stir the mixture, a saucepan, and a pitcher. Alright guys, it's just as simple as dissolving the gelatin, then combining it with the cream, bringing it to a boil, add some flavor, then let it refrigerate for a few hours and serve. The first thing we're gonna do is to dissolve the gelatin in the milk. So just add the milk, spread the gelatin evenly, and we're gonna let it stand for about 10 minutes. While we wait for the gelatin to dissolve, we can set a bowl with ice and some water. This is going to help to cool down the mixture and get the right texture. It's been 10 minutes, so we're going to bring the milk and the gelatin to a warm temperature just until the gelatin is combined. And we're going to do that over high heat. Stir occasionally. It seems like the gelatin is dissolved, so I'm going to go ahead and add the cream very slowly. Then add the vanilla and the sugar and salt and combine. Then bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And if along the way you find tips that are useful, you like this recipe or any other recipes, don't forget to go down in the description, hit the thumbs up button, and I can continue to post more videos. I placed an empty bowl over the ice and water, and now that the mixture boiled, then I'm going to transfer it to the empty bowl. By doing this, we're going to cool down the mixture very slowly. And as you can see, right now it's very thin, but as we stir, it's going to get thicker. So we're going to stir for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. The mixture is cold. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker. And now we're going to pass it through the strainer. If you want, you can skip this step, but I recommend you do it because it's going to give you a really smooth texture. Then you can place it on maybe a large baking sheet, or if you have glassware where you can pour the mixture in and pour evenly. I'm showing you different sizes and different containers, so that way you can see that you have options. And then we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours until it's set. You can put them on a tray and just put some plastic wrap on them. For the sauce, we're just gonna combine the raspberry puree with a teaspoon of sugar and a splash of lemon. Not too much lemon, it's just to balance out the flavors. And this sauce is good for another 2 days. This is great 4 hours after, and the panna cotta is set, ready to go. You'll know by shaking the tray a little bit, and you'll see how they jiggle just a little bit. So what we're gonna do is my favorite part, guys. You know, serving is my most favorite part of the video. So let's start with the sauce. So just like a tablespoon of sauce. There's a really nice sunlight coming through the window. It's really nice. Then add the berries. So I cut the strawberries in half. Just have fun with it. See what's beautiful for you. I can't let you go without tasting this beauty, guys. So let me go for it. So good, guys. It's creamy, it's fruity, it's not overly sweet. It's just perfect. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you next week.